To turn on Dolby Atmos on Apple Music, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Dolby Atmos. This feature is available on Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Apple TV, and HomePod. Next, make sure your device is running the latest software, as Dolby Atmos requires the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, or tvOS. You can check for updates by going to the Settings app, then selecting General, and finally tapping on Software Update. Once your device is up to date, open the Apple Music app and go to the For You tab. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Scroll down to the Audio section and look for the Dolby Atmos option. If you have a compatible device, you should see two options: Dolby Atmos and Spatial Audio. Dolby Atmos is a type of spatial audio that provides an immersive listening experience. Spatial audio is a broader term that encompasses various types of immersive audio, including Dolby Atmos. To enable Dolby Atmos, tap on the Dolby Atmos option and select Automatic. This will allow Apple Music to automatically play Dolby Atmos tracks when available. You can also select Always On, which will force Apple Music to play all tracks in Dolby Atmos, even if they are not natively available in this format. After enabling Dolby Atmos, you can test it by playing a Dolby Atmos track on Apple Music. You can find Dolby Atmos tracks by searching for Dolby Atmos in the Apple Music search bar. Many popular albums and songs are now available in Dolby Atmos, so you should be able to find something to test the feature. Keep in mind that to fully experience Dolby Atmos, you will need to use compatible headphones or speakers that support this format. Apple's AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, and Beats headphones are all compatible with Dolby Atmos, as are many third-party headphones and home theaters. By following these steps and using compatible devices, you can enjoy an immersive listening experience with Dolby Atmos on Apple Music.